Hey guys, John here. I want to go over scams. I got scammed. It's been a couple of days now. Now, what it is a guy. I'll show a video of the whole text information here. But basically, this guy wanted me to clear out a garage somewhere in Sacramento, and he said that he'd pay $800, and I said that's fine. And everything seemed kind of sketchy as you were reading through the text. But he actually just sent me a check here for $29.50, so $2,950. And I was like, okay, that's already weird. But when I gave him my address and my name, I gave him my friend's address down the street because I didn't want my information to match and then somehow they get my information or whatever. So I gave him different address, same name, and they sent it via UPS here, or United States Postal Service. So I got that, and I'm not sure exactly what to do with this. They said you could turn it into the police station, but they really don't care about it, so I might do it anyways. But yeah, they gave it through BMO, and that's the bank. And I just left there a second ago, and they said that the reason they use BMO is because they know, the scam people know, that the money would be available instantly, and then the check would bounce, which is a big scam. It goes around all the time, but I've never had this before. But once that check bounces, you're in the hole because those guys want half of that money. You know, you keep the 800, which is already your money, and then you give them, whatever's left of it, and that's how they scam you. They get your money, and you're on the hook for that $29.50 or whatever amount that you gave them. So that's a scam I'm working with today. The check is right here. So now I might take it to the police station. I don't really want to drive all the way to the sheriff's department, so we'll see. All right, just got off the phone with the sheriff's department. They said that since I didn't cash a check, there was no crime that had been committed, so they wouldn't make a report on it. So I'm just gonna throw all this stuff away and then block the guy's number. But yeah, if it seems sketchy, it probably is. So just remember, if the guy's texting you and gives you, he tells you a price and then sends you a way bigger price, I'm pretty sure they're going to ask you for a part of that money later. So don't cash it. Don't put it in your bank. If anything, go to the bank that's on the check and then ask them first. Like, hey, is this legit? Is this fake? And they straight up said it's fake when I went to the bank. So I'm good. And I know this is like the second time I've tried to been scammed by somebody. The first time, he did everything by email. And he sent me a check on the email. He actually wrote in $500, and it actually said something else, and the name on the back of it was already signed. The name on the email was different. The text name was different. I actually talked to the guy too. The address of the property, somebody else owned it. I was like, this has just got fake scam all over it. So there's scams all over the place, but that guy was not trying very hard at all. This guy was decently trying, but you gotta be smarter than the stupid people trying to scam you. But yeah, just watch out, everybody. I was just thinking about this as I'm driving back to my property. It's like, the sheriff's department didn't really care at all about the check since I didn't cash it. I was like, well, what if I cash it? Cash it, because there's really no money to cash. But what if I cash it? Then a crime would be committed, so then they would have to enforce, or go investigate or whatever. I'm down to go meet this guy and give them no money, you know? Why can't you guys, you know, want to do that? But whatever. You know, I think the only thing I should do is go get some counterfeit money and give him the counterfeit money. So when he goes to give counterfeit money to whatever, it's fake. I mean, he gets freaking caught. But in reality, I'm not going to do anything about it. I'm just sharing my what happened to me with you guys. You just got to be smarter than the people out there trying to screw you over. As I'm sitting here trying to make this video of the scam guy, he just texted me. I thought it was kind of funny. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, you liked the content, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for any other videos that I post.